Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, hiking Potato Mountain. Claremont Hills Wilderness Park, and here's the paid parking lot. This is one of the kiosks to pay for parking. Rates are $7 Saturday and Sunday, $5 during the week. And here are the rules of the park. Please stay on designated trails. Dogs must be on the leash at all times. There's these signs giving you caution, warning, watch for these signs of life. From the parking lot, continue going straight. The first half mile of this hike, there's plenty of shade. Every half a mile, you will be updated on the mileage you have hiked. This hike is all on fire roads, straight right on up to Potato Mountain. When you see this little restroom, continue hiking straight. You're 1.5 miles from the parking lot and 3 miles from Potato Mountain. If you're enjoying this video and finding it informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. I post a new video every week. See Potato Mountain, your final destination, right around that ridge right there. See that? Not that mountain, that one. That's the final destination, Potato Mountain. When you see this half-mile mark, that means you have now hiked 2 miles from the parking lot. There is a shorter hike to Potato Mountain from Mount Baldy Road. If you're interested, click on the link above to watch that video. As you come down this mountainside, you see a sign. It says Potato Mountain, turn left. And that's exactly what you want to do, going up that fire road. Also, if you wonder where Potato Mountain is, coincidentally, it is right over that sign, high up into the clouds right there. If you need a little break, this is a good place to take it. And now we approach the 1.5 mile marker to Potato Mountain. Where is Potato Mountain? Right up above that sign, way up there. At this point of the hike, it's pretty much straightforward, following the fire road all the way up to Potato Mountain. Looking at this trail as it goes up the mountain with the fog blowing in the background, I can't help but think of my trek on the Great Wall of China many years ago. When I did this 7-mile hike on the Great Wall of China in 2009, I had only been hiking for a few months. At this point of the hike, take a breath and look back at the trail you just hiked and the beautiful scenery of the city below. And that right there, as I zoom in, is Potato Mountain. And the 2-mile marker tells me I am only 1 mile away from Potato Mountain. As you come around the corner, you will see this sign right here. It tells you to go to Potato Mountain. And that's right up this way. From here, take the middle trail going straight up to Potato Mountain, right where these people are coming down from. Enjoy the beautiful, breathtaking view of the Snow Peak Mountains. At this point of the hike, I am 1/4 mile away. And there it is, off in the distance, the summit of Potato Mountain. When you get to the summit, enjoy the 360-degree view. Total round-trip distance for this hike, 9 miles, with an elevation gain of 1,978 feet. This mountain is called Potato Mountain because of all the hikers that have brought potatoes and placed them at the summit of Potato Mountain. Now that I'm at the summit, I'll have a little bite to eat before heading back. If you would like to see my playlist of other hikes in Southern California, click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.